Okay, is it not a public lobby?
It is.
Okay.
But this is a little bit.
Is photography a crime?
I need your ID.
I'm asking if photography is a crime.
I need your ID,
It's
sir.
a yes or a no.
I need your ID.
No.
I don't give a if you're an auditor. I don't give a
I'm not
flying
filming
fuck.
you. Leave me the hell alone.
No, you don't need to film the cops. No.
You ain't gonna tell me what to do.
But I back the blue.
You back the blue. You're a bootlicker?
Yeah.
Why don't you go like more boots?
I would die for a cop.
Sir, I need to have you back up.
No, I'm gonna stand right here.
Okay, you can stand. That's good.
Look at this guy.
Look at this guy doing traffic stop. You're right. It's officer
Look
safety.
at this guy.
Yeah.
Officer safety. What law is that?
Welcome to the channel.
This is for the officers here at the department. These are training pants, Paw Patrol training pants. These are for peeing in when you get scared. We've got some tissues here, Puffs Ultra Soft, and right there it says on the back, feelings hurt, question mark. Wipe liberal tears here. So you guys can, every time somebody says something to you that makes you cry, you can use those tissues right there. We've got some pacifiers here, both for boys and for girls. So when somebody says something that gets you upset, rather than assaulting them or beating them up, you can just suck on the pacifier and calm down. I've got children, so I know how this goes. And then we wanted to reward the good officers who don't beat people up for hurting their feelings. So we got some juice boxes for the good boys and girls. And those are just for the good boys and girls that don't beat people up when their feelings get hurt. Sound good? Yep. All right. And we got a little card in here. So sorry your feelings got hurt. Get well soon.
Just by the start of this video, you can already tell that this is going to be a banger. And I don't know how he does it, but he does a damn good job at it. The one and only, the master of all trolls, James Freeman, guys. And I just had to put this one in this video because when I saw it, I couldn't stop laughing, ladies and gentlemen. Just how ridiculous he makes this chief of police look is absolutely epic. Don't want to blow no more of this video, but there is more police interactions that I added in today's video. Don't want to go anywhere. Believe me, this is a banger to the end, especially when I exposed the master of all bootlickers also in this video that you're not going to want to miss. Enjoy.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Something I can help you with?
No, I'm good, thanks.
What are you videoing?
This is everything I can see.
What are you thinking? What are you doing?
What's that?
What are you videoing in here?
Everything I can see.
Who are you?
I'm just irrelevant. Who are you?
No, I need your ID.
You need my ID?
Yes, please, thank you.
Hold on one second.
Yeah, turn it on. Can I have your ID, please?
Hold on one second. Let me get my lawyer for you.
I don't need your lawyer. I need your ID.
That would get you in a lot of trouble. So.
I don't think so.
Who are you?
I'm the chief. And if you're going to come into my lobby and videotape, in today's day and age, I think I have the right to ask you to identify yourself.
Okay, is it not a public lobby?
It is.
Okay.
But this is a little bit.
Is photography a crime?
I need your ID.
I'm asking if photography is a crime.
I need your ID,
It's
sir.
a yes or a no.
I need your ID.
Why? Do you suspect me of a crime? Do you suspect me of a crime? Because in the state of Utah,
We have the right to identify it.
you can ask, but in the state of Utah, you have to suspect me of a crime in order to.
That's not true.
So it's a stop and ID state, huh? Without even suspicion of a crime. I can tell you, I'm news media. I'm here filming.
Well, that would be nice to know.
And that's all you need to know.
That would
You
be
didn't
helpful.
ask.
Sir, do you have news media identification?
Don't need it.
Yeah, I'd like that.
Well, you can like it all you want, Gary.
Hey, this is the chief. Can you send a couple guys down to the lobby?
It's Logan Police Department in
Okay.
Logan, Utah.
No, just I need to have them come down.
Logan, Utah.
Thanks.
Logan Police Department, Logan, Utah. Mods, if you can help me out
Do you
there.
have media ID?
I don't need it.
Well, I'm asking you to identify yourself, sir. This is really odd that you're walking around my lobby,
In my lobby.
videotaping this lobby.
My lobby.
That's suspicious to me,
My lobby.
and I'm curious to know who you are.
I'm someone who checks up on the government, and it's suspicious to me that you're so worried about the people putting cameras on you. What are you doing wrong?
I'm not doing anything
Then
wrong,
why are you so worried about the camera?
because I need to know who you are.
You are doing something wrong right now. You're trying to demand ID unlawfully. Now, I can understand if you're suspicious, you can ask me what I'm doing. Hi, I'm here filming you to check up on you and make sure that you all are obeying the law and not violating people's rights. That'll be all. Am I detained or am I free to go?
No, you're detained.
I am detained? All right, so we're going to do an unlawful detainment
I
then?
need your ID, sir.
What crime do you suspect me of?
I need your ID.
So you're demanding my ID, and if I don't give it to you, then what?
I need your ID, sir.
Well, I'd like to assert my rights, but if you're threatening to violently throw me in a cage or something, if I don't give it, then I'll give it under duress, under threat of violence.
Okay. I'm going to ask you to leave.
You're asking me to leave a public lobby. As the media,
Yes, I am.
you're going to violate the
So
First
you haven't
Amendment right.
identified yourself as media.
I don't, yes, I did. I just told you I was media.
Leave.
You're telling me to leave?
Yes, sir.
Or what? Or
Just
will you
leave,
use
sir.
violence against me?
Just leave.
No. Look, I'm not here to cause you a problem, but you're
you're
causing a
causing a
problem.
problem.
But you're causing a problem.
I'm asking you to leave, sir.
And are you going to arrest me if I don't?
I've asked you for your ID. You've denied that.
Well, you
I'm
have.
asking you to leave the lobby, sir.
You realize this is my lobby, right?
That's fine, but I'm asking you to leave.
Okay. Are you giving me a lawful order to leave, or are you just asking me to leave?
Stand by. We'll just wait for a
Okay.
moment.
I mean, I'm not gonna disobey any lawful orders, but I have the right to be in here and film my public servants. So if you're giving me a lawful order, or you're telling me you're going to arrest me if I don't give you
Did I
IDs,
say you were under arrest?
no.
Then don't
I'm
make
trying to
assumptions.
clarify because I feel kind of threatened at this point. You guys are, you're calling more people with guns out here for a guy with a camera.
What gun?
There's a gun right there.
Sure enough.
There's a gun right there. There's extra magazines. How many times do you think you need to shoot me? I mean, that's a lot of magazines. It's just a camera.
Bro, where are you coming from with the gun?
Exactly. Where are you coming from? Let me just walk around and do my video. Leave me alone. Can we do that?
I'd like to know what your purpose is.
It doesn't matter what you'd like to know. And besides, I already told you, my purpose is news media gathering content for a story.
And yet you don't have ID that would...
I don't need it. Yeah, do you understand what freedom of the press is? Do you know who issues press passes? Who issues them?
Okay.
Nobody. The state doesn't issue press passes. So to get a press pass, what you do is you can write it in crayon, or you can create it yourself on a computer. You can print it out, you can laminate it, you can make it look as professional as you want. But no state anywhere in the United States issues press passes because we have the freedom of the press in the United States of America. So anyone with a camera telling a story about a tyrant is press.
Sure. Yeah.
And so that's all I'm here to do. I was hoping, I thought you
Well,
told us.
then go ahead and take your camera shot.
Okay.
I'm just going to hang with you for a minute.
Okay.
Perfect. Let's do that.
Can we give each other arm's length distance from each other for my safety and yours?
Sure.
Would that be fair?
Yeah, that's fair.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. Great.
Okay.
I was just about done in here anyways, but I'll go
Great.
back through here and.
Well, and that hall takes you down to the city office if you want to film there. Or you're welcome to go out and take a look at the front of the building. It's a pretty building.
It is.
So,
What was your name? I'm sorry. You got me real nervous with you approaching me with the
right here.
aggressiveness. And,
No, there's nothing aggressive.
well, I feel intimidated and
Well,
threatened.
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah. Well, I don't think
Go
you
ahead
are.
and do that.
But what was your name? Can you verbally give it to me?
No, it's okay.
You can't?
You got my name right.
Is that what you tell the judge?
I don't tell the judge that, no.
No. Because you got a little bit more respect for the judge than the general public,
I'm not
or
going
what?
to engage you, sir.
Well, you're not going to engage me. Good. Then go back to your office. Go back to work, and I'll do my job. You said you're not going to engage me, but you're going to follow me around.
Just gonna
That would be just stalking, then.
It's all good.
That would just be stalking, and then I'd have to have the sheriff come out here and arrest you.
Go ahead.
He's on video, swerving.
What's that? Yeah, exactly.
Wow, what happens
Exactly.
on,
You guys are actually live on the internet right now. There's 1,100 people watching you,
Okay.
watching you act up.
Look at this.
Oh, that is crooked. Yeah,
Can't have that, can we?
yeah. Must have had a drunk officer put that up, huh?
At least. Have a nice day.
All right. You're dismissed. Thank you for coming.
I honestly couldn't believe that was actually the chief of police. How ridiculous he looked in front of that camera. How he faced somebody that really knows their rights. And how he got trolled. And how stupid he probably felt in front of his coworker. Or his officer, I should say. What a great example he's showing that department. Awesome job by James Freeman. This was an epic encounter, one of my favorites, I should say. And what makes this so awesome is that the internet is forever. Now let's go over to the next clip and expose the worst bootlegger of all time in my book. He's a wannabe cop, the lowest of the lowest, if you ask me. Let's take a look, shall we?
Huh?
You are currently on private property.
This is public.
No.
Yes, it is.
You can go across the street.
No, I'm not. This is public right here. You know
No,
it's the sidewalk.
This is not.
Yes, it is.
No, they take care of all this. This is part of.
No,
that
they don't. This
property.
is a sidewalk.
No. This
You
is
ain't
the
gonna
sidewalk.
tell me not to walk on the sidewalk.
I can tell you to leave this property because it's private property. You want to go talk to the owner right now? The owner is here. Get off the property.
No.
I don't give a shit if you're an auditor. I don't give a
I'm not
flying
filming
fuck.
you. Leave me the hell alone.
No, you don't need to film the cops.
Identify yourself.
I don't have
Identify
to.
yourself.
Don't yell at me.
What are you gonna do? Shoot me?
I'll tase you. Get off my property.
This is hey,
What? He can't do nothing.
hey,
Get off my property.
no, hey. He wants to tase me. He said this is public.
No, it's not.
This guy's freaking crazy. Then identify yourself.
I don't have to identify
Yes, you
myself.
do. You're
I
trying
am
to
a
appease
private citizen.
You're trying to appease
working
someone
for
that
a
you're not.
private-
I'm a citizen. This is the public. You're gonna control the public. Leave me the hell alone.
No, cross the street.
No.
Yes.
Are you leaving me like that?
You need to get off the property, otherwise I will call the cops. and have
Call
you
the
trespass.
cops. Call the cops right now. They were just here. They have no problem with me. They're over there. Why don't you call them right now? But
Get
you
off
ain't
my
putting hands
property.
on me. You ain't putting hands on me. Call the cops. Call 911. See what they tell
Get
you.
off of my property.
No. This is a sidewalk. I stay my ground. This guy's crazy. This is a sidewalk.
You have no right to videotape on this property.
I have the right to do whatever I want on public property.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
You're the one who told Leo to get the F on the property. He was on the sidewalk, on the microphone like a year ago. Yeah, it's probably you.
No.
You ain't gonna tell me what to
sorry,
do.
But I backed the blue.
You back the blue. I respect the blue and they respect me.
You don't respect the blue.
You're a pool liquor
If
now?
you respected them,
You're a pool liquor?
yeah.
Why don't
I
you go
am.
like more poots?
I would die for a cop. I wouldn't die for you.
You're not dumb for me. Well, that's nice. I don't have anything against police officers. Obviously, you think I'm against it because I filmed them. You're just a crazy man.
In the film, is there?
Go take a chill pill.
Get off my property.
Go take a chill pill.
Get off my property.
It's not your property. It's not your property. Leave me the hell alone. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Go.
The owner is here.
I only got balls because I have a camera.
Now, in my book, this is what you call a mentally unstable securitard that needs help, professional help. I don't even know what else to say about this guy. This guy pulled out his taser to try to intimidate the cameraman because he was recording a cop. And honestly, I don't even know how the hell he's a security guard or a securitard, excuse me. The lowest of all lowest, if you ask me, ladies and gentlemen. And honestly, nobody in the right state of mind will die for a cop.
Su registro para el vehículo y aseguranza para el vehículo se tiene. ¿A dónde va? She wants to get.
Okay, sir, I need to have you back up.
No, I'm gonna stand right here.
Okay, you can stand. That's good.
Look at this guy.
Look at this guy doing traffic stop. You're right. It's officer
Look
safety.
at this guy.
Yeah.
Officer safety. What law is that?
Huh? It's
What
not
law
law.
is that?
I'm just walking on the sidewalk.
Go deal with your traffic stop.
I
Get
have a
away from
partner.
me.
I can't speak Spanish and I haven't translated.
Who are you? What's your name? What's your name?
We're good to go here.
Look at this clown.
You're right. The clown with the video.
Such an idiot, dude.
Yeah.
I saw the way you were treating her too.
Oh, you did.
Yeah.
You don't even know what's going on here, sir. So,
Check out this guy.
yeah.
Alright, we'll find out who he is. Is he a Taylorsville officer? I'm trying to, but he doesn't answer.
Well, I was trying to talk to you, sir. You didn't want to
Hey, I don't think your chief's gonna like you acting this way. I know your chief really good.
Yeah, what's his name then?
I'm not talking to you,
Yeah, see, you don't know his name.
sir.
Go ahead.
So you're not gonna identify? Because you were violating my First Amendment right, blocking my camera. That's a violation of the First Amendment.
I'm pretty sure in public space you can walk where you want.
Yeah, you can't block my camera.
You're capable of walking wherever you like, sir.
The ignorance of the law is not an excuse, man.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more.
Can I get your name?
That's as far as it's going today.
I'm not talking to you.
That's okay.
No. Can I get your name?
He just told you no.
No?
I don't have a
I'll
reason
talk
to give
your
it to
chief.
you. Thank you, though.
I asked you for your 161.
That's my badge number right there.
Can I get your name?
That's as far as it's going, sir. So,
Right there.
Can I get your
like I
name?
say, we're conducting
No.
an official investigation. You can interfere at this point. I've asked you to step back.
You're the one interfering with me. I was way back.
How am
You're
I
the one
interfering
kind
with
of in front
you?
of my face.
Okay, sir. I appreciate that you've got to know and you understand the law, and I appreciate
Obviously, you
that.
don't appreciate it, and you don't appreciate the First Amendment whatsoever.
Okay. Why don't you go read the First Amendment? If I restrict
Why
you or
don't you
hold
read
you,
it? Why don't you read
exactly.
it?
Go with it. That's it. Good. Sorry about that. But, they can't. It's actually protected information there, sir.
What law is that?
It's protect. I'm just letting you know it's protected information. Let's
What
let the
law is
officer
that?
know. No, I'm just letting you know that
Well,
that's protected.
I'll let
We're
you
like
know that it's your job to protect that, not my job.
Yeah, it is. It is.
You want to start all over? You want to give me your name?
Oh, well, we've already started. When I first started talking to you, you didn't want to talk here, and you're actually not part of the situation. I asked you to step away. You chose not to.
I did step away. I wasn't close to you. I was way far away
Okay.
from you.
So actually,
You came up to me and you got in front of me.
Okay.
Didn't you?
That's
Didn't
all right.
you?
That's okay.
Didn't you?
That's okay.
It's not okay.
Yup, now Utah Cop Watch is correct. It is not okay. Now, this is what you call a bunch of a-hole police officers for no reason, because he's just trying to record them and exercise his rights to record and hear what's going on. I really don't understand what's the attitude, why the unprofessionalism. Most of them already know they're going to be blasted all over the internet. So just imagine how they treat the public when there's no cameras around. Just imagine when they have a bad day or they're having a bad day. You know, this is why it's always important, guys, to record your interactions with police, no matter what, ladies and gentlemen. I always say it in all my videos. Thanks for tuning in to the end of this video. Again, everybody's channel links will be pinned in the description below with the full video links as well. I'm going to leave it to you guys and let me know what you think about this one. We'll see you definitely on the next video. Thanks for tuning in to the J Surreal channel.